Welcome to another Wise Math and Science video. It says on the grid, show by shading the region that satisfies all of these inequalities. And it says label the region R. So let's see if we can focus over here. You've got x plus y is less than 5, so I need two coordinates. If you sum them together, like 0 and 5, or 5 and 0, they've got to be less than 5. So what we're going to do, you're going to get something like this running along here. Definitely goes through 0, 5, 5, 0. Something like that, but we need to shade below them. Now let's go to the next one, and it says y is greater than 1. We can't make it a solid line, we need to make it, because it's greater, because if it was greater than equal, we would make it a solid line. We're making it to a dashed line. Y is greater than 1. We need to shade above this particular line, and let's label that here, and then let's go to the red. Let's change the color, and what we're going to do, you've got x is larger than 2, so x is larger than 2, so we need to shade on the right hand side of this line. So let's label that over there, and then finally, one more time, let's get this ready. So the blue line over here, y is 3x minus 2, so let's start with the y-intercept, which is going to be minus 2, and it's got a gradient of 3, so we need to go back over there, and that should do the trick. And what we're looking for is the shader. They're asking us to shade it. So let's go back. This should be our answer over here, along here. So what we're going to be doing, as they've asked us, we're going to label that R. They've asked us to label that R to the right hand side of x plus 2. Above y is greater than 1, which is that line, and less than x plus y is less than 5. So it should be that should be region. It says Ron says I can remove one of the 4 inequalities from the grid so that the region R will not change. Ron is correct. Part B, which inequality can be removed so that the region R will not change? Well, clearly it's going to be this blue line over here, and therefore this inequality should be this one over here, and then let's write that down over here for the answer for part B. So it will be y is less than 3x minus 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.